Stay true to who you are. Don't follow the hollow promises of strangers with perfect masks.